Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the types of electronics, type of polymers, polytronics. What are the types of polytronics? We will discuss about that in this video. So let's start it. We will discuss started our discussing. Polymers can be classified in several different ways according to their structure, the types of reaction by which they are prepared, their physical properties of their are their technological uses. From the standard point of general physical properties, we usually recognize three types of solids: elastomers, thermoplastic polymers, and thermosetting polymers. Elastomers are rubbers, are rubber-like elastic material. Thermoplastic polymers are hard at room temperature, but on heating becomes soft and more or less fluid and can be molded. Thermosetting polymers can be molded at room temperature or above, but when heated more strongly become hard and infusible. These technologies overlap considerably but are nonetheless helpful in defining general areas of utility and types of structure. You can see here the structural characteristics that are most important to determine the properties of polymers are the degree of rigidity of polymers molecule, the electrostatic and van der Waals attractive force between the chains, the degree to which chains tends to form crystalline domains, the degree of cross linking between the chain, of these cross linking is perhaps the simplest and will be discussed next. Consider a polymer made of tangle with long linear chains of atom. If the intermolecular forces between the chains are small and the material is subjected to pressure, the molecule will tend to move past one another, in which is called plastic flow. Also, you can see here the more data. What are types of polymers which we already discussed. The first one is elastomers, and the second one is thermoplastic polymers, and the third one is thermosetting polymers. And you can see here this is the polymers. And you can see here the OLED structure. What is the OLED and OLED structure? This is the methyl cathode, and this is the electron transport layer and organic emitter, hole injection layer, input output, and the glass substrate and ITO nodes. These are the things which are these are the some types and structures of the polymers which are defined as. Knowing the more data about that,